Okay, so I installed mongoDB. Let's see how it goes. Continue. Can I execute? Blah, 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 blah. Yes, do. Action plan. The tech lead agent is creating an action plan. A lot of interesting stuff, which I cannot read so fast as it here runs on my screen. Maybe I should go back later on and see what he wrote. But at the moment, I do not want to touch the interface because I do not want to break something. So I simply sit here and watch what happens. Okay, so the developer agent again is busy. What does he do? He's implementing task number 1. Does he want something to do what I do? No, I can wait. Okay. So he's talking about the user model. I know from Django those models. You can create the models and then you can say run migrations or something like that, and then automatically those models, they are applied to the database. Maybe it's something similar here. As I said before, I haven't yet worked with mongoDB. I haven't yet worked with that Express. So I'm also a little bit, so everything is new for me. But what we can see is that quite some code was created. Models user.js. What do we have? Mongoose require bcrypt. Oh, encryption. Okay. Save. Okay, so he asks a question. Is everything working? I don't know. Let me know if something needs to be changed for this task. Okay, maybe he says what I should do. Implementing task. Oh, there's much more, which I haven't seen yet. Okay, so where's the end? Here. No? Still working? No. Oh, step 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what I have to do. Can you check if the app works, please? For sure. Here's the description of what should be working. Step 1. Action. Start the server using npm start. Expected result. You should see the message server running blah blah blah. Okay, so I will open a terminal here. New terminal. And then I do what I am told. So where is now the text which said what I should do? That little window. Okay, so what can I do? I can make it big again. Yes, good. So npm start, that's all. Okay, npm start. Wow, errors. What's the problem? Could not read package JSON. Okay, npm is not able to find a file. A complete log could be found. So now it becomes interesting. Pythagora should help me to fix the problem. So I will the error message, but how can I paste it now? Now here the terminal again is in the way. Damn it. Maybe like this? No. Gets more and more. Okay, now my terminal is gone. So this is all a little bit of a mess here with the GP pilot. So what, can I maybe drag it to the other side? No, doesn't look like that. Okay, huh? Oh. So what if I now open the terminal again and I write, yeah, now I have the text, but I don't have the interface anymore where I can paste the text, the error message in. So that is a little bit confusing for me. And also I accidentally opened a lot of terminals, which I don't need all. So what to do? Maybe if I draw it back, still looks the same. Can I draw it completely outside of this? Yes. I don't have the buttons here or the input where I can enter the error message. So I close the terminal. So now I am lost. What could I do? I will stop here and ask maybe the developers, what did I do wrong? What could I have done better? I don't know what my mistake was, but at the moment I'm lost and I could even not say, what now can I do to go on? Can I reset it or something? I don't know. So I would stop the video for now and come back later to you. Goodbye.